Hello everybody, let's get right to it. Assignment 2, create 2 logos. As you get familiar again with Canva, the interface, and some new features and interactive features that they involve. So here we go. First thing you want to do, of course, is open Canva. And on the left-hand side, you're going to want to click Templates, right? And from there, you're going to want to go into the Marketing section, because it's going to show all the templates there. And then next, you're going to want to click Logo. And then from there, you'll pick out a logo that you want to alter or change, unless you're working on one for yourself, a new one in Photoshop or something like that. But this is just to get you familiar with Canva, which, believe it or not, has some cool tools that even editing video and stuff that we'll be doing. So have some fun with this. So I'm just going to, you'll pick a logo, and then you're going to click the purple button, customize this template, right? It's a logo. And then from there, you can do the editing of it, changing the colors if you want, and of course you're required to put the company of your freelance company's name in there, so change around the text. And that's about it. So then here's the hard part, the part of multimedia that we get paid for, a lot of stuff, transporting digital content. So we're going to click share, right? And then from share, you're going to want to scroll down a little bit there. It's down below that copy link button. You're going to want to click download. Okay, click the download text. And then from there, you're going to ask you where you want to save it, right? So you'll want to save it to a folder and make sure you remember where that folder is, because you're going to want to submit it for this assignment. So then we go back to Lakeland. We click the text for assignment 2, and you know where those 2 logos are. So you're going to browse your local files button and then find those logos, and you can actually put them both in there at the same time or one at a time, and then they'll be up there, and then you'll just submit it for a quick 100 points, right? Have a little fun with that. So that's about it. And you can always contact me with any questions. Thanks a lot. Mr. Mac out.